Let's talk about TikTok marketing to grow your business online. TikTok is one of the most underrated and fastest ways to completely blow up your business. This is insane. Let me show you how I've done it for my business and several of my clients so that you can grow your business on TikTok as well. So many people still have the impression of TikTok that it's a platform for a younger demographic. People are just dancing on it, or it's meaningless and has nothing to do with growing a business and spreading your message. And this could not be further from the truth. The first and number one most important strategy to grow your business on TikTok is to focus on one core niche. That's one core demographic of people that you want to reach. The riches are in the niches, as the saying goes. The more you can hone in and focus on creating content around the wants and needs of that one core niche, the more success you're going to have and the faster the success that you're going to have. Trust me when I say the first 6 or 7 months that I was on TikTok, I did all of the random things like focusing on trends and saying follow for follow, and dancing and applying different things, and occasionally I would do a business tutorial thing. Well, as soon as I started focusing on just creating business-oriented educational content for business owners, that's when things started to explode. That's when people started to reach out for me for help. Opportunities on podcasts opened up, and all sorts of different things opened up and blew the gates away like crazy. So focus on one core area, one core niche. The second TikTok marketing strategy that's really going to help you out is to outline all of your videos ahead of time. Outline a strategy so that you can clearly follow them. One of my example strategies, for instance, I marked down some hashtags that would be beneficial for my industry. I outlined a lot of different videos and examples of potential videos that I could make. I followed this to a T. I created them so that you don't need to, think about when you wake up in the morning or think about through that day, like, what video am I going to create? Map it out ahead of time. This is also going to help you batch your content. So you can schedule, one day a week or one day a month or something, and knock out a lot of these videos ahead of time. This is going to save you a lot of time, and it's going to help you succeed because you actually took the time to structure out your content. TikTok marketing strategy number 3, structure every video in a consistent way. This works across YouTube as well, but you want to open up with a hook, then jump right into providing really helpful information, and then a closing call to action. So for instance, I recently did a video like, this is the guaranteed way of how you can increase your website traffic from Google. This is a guaranteed way to get more website traffic from Google. And then at the closing call to action, you could say something like, hit this heart and follow button if you want more tips to grow your SEO and business online. It's sharing what your channel is about and telling them what to do. If you don't tell them what to do, they're less likely to take any action at all. Strategy number 4 is to reply to every single comment that comes in. This should be a no-brainer across all social media, but taking the time to appreciate their time, the person that watched your video, left a comment, left a question, respond to every single one, whether it's just a text-based response, or if you can do a video response for them, that's really going to build and nurture the relationship with your prospective customers. Strategy number 5 is to go live. Nothing is better than directly communicating with your prospective clients online. The more that you go live, the more that you're going to build and nurture that know, like, and trust factor. This is going to directly create a line of communication between you and your customer. So encourage them to tune into your lives. If you can create a schedule around them, that's all the better. But answer their questions and provide as much helpful information as you can, and then provide them with where they can go to get the next steps within that video. If you want to pull people over to your website, you can say, click the link in my bio if you want more, or you can say it in the actual live stream or video. You can provide your email address if you want them to contact you. Same thing with your phone number. But go live, talk with them, establish and build that nurturing trust factor, Lives are amazing. If you want more TikTok marketing strategies to grow your business online, just like I have for my clients, I created this awesome blog article for you with lots of case studies, lots of examples. You can find the link right below in the bio. And make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with all of my latest tutorials so you can grow your business online.